type of wigs that you should get based off of your lifestyle. First, we have the U part. A U part is great for the girls that want to have a leave out and don't want to worry about lace. They want to sew in, but don't want to be bothered by having to pay that sewing fee every 2 months or so, and just want to be able to kind of like take out their hair and put it on if they want, or like sew it on. And then we have the closure wigs where you don't really want the whole frontal glue down to your head, or you just want to be a get up and go girl, and maybe you don't want to use lace, so you just want, you know, your hair knots out. So closure is for you. And then we have the frontal, which is for the girls that most likely have a special occasion or just like the whole hairline look and don't want any of their hair out at all, and want to be able to flip their hair to the side and don't want to be bothered by a leave out, straightening, just wants a whole different type of appearance. A frontal is for you.